In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete campaigns in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when you permanently remove a campaign from your account. First, open Mailchimp and head to the home dashboard. If you're prompted to sign in, do that as you normally would, and you'll land on the main home screen. This is your starting point for managing everything in your account. Next, look for campaigns in the main navigation. Give that a click to open your campaigns area. This page lists your drafts, scheduled items, and sent campaigns so you can quickly find what you want to remove. If you have a lot of items, consider using the search or filters to narrow things down, but for now, just locate the campaign you no longer need. Once you've found it, move your cursor over that campaign row and click the three dots, often labeled More, or represented as an icon with three vertical dots. This menu contains additional actions that aren't shown by default. Take a quick moment here to confirm you've selected the correct campaign, especially if you have similar names, because the next action is permanent. From the menu, choose Delete. Mailchimp will immediately present a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. The message typically reads along the lines of delete email and is meant to prevent accidental removals. This is your chance to double check everything one last time. If you want to keep the layout or content for future use, consider making a copy beforehand using the replicate option in the same menu, then come back to delete. If you're confident this campaign is no longer needed, continue. On the confirmation prompt, click delete again to finalize. Mailchimp will process your request and the campaign will be removed from your visible list. After a moment, you should see that it no longer appears on the campaigns page. If you had the page filtered or sorted, refresh or clear filters to confirm it's gone. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Deleting a campaign doesn't affect your subscriber list or reporting that's already been generated for sent emails, but the campaign itself can't be edited or sent again once it's deleted. If you don't see the delete option, it may be because of your user permissions or the campaign's current status. In those cases, check with your account administrator or review the campaign's details. That's it. You've successfully deleted a campaign in Mailchimp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.